Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to day 5 of the North Cape trip. We just left the hotel and on the way to a small wild camping spot with like a hut or something, because you know the weather is not so good. It's really bad. It's supposed to rain like this for the next week, so yeah, we're trying to find some shelter as well, because the clothes and the shoes, everything is still wet, so not ideal. You know, I also thought about going to Sweden instead, because the weather was supposed to be better in Sweden. It's still cold but no rain. Apparently it's only raining in Norway, as far as I can tell. But yeah, we decided still to push on and go further north and embrace, you know, the rain. And you know, that was the original plan, to see Norway and not Sweden, because we're seeing Sweden when we're going back. Anyway, this is day 5, you know, just a short update for now, because yeah, weather has been absolutely horrendous. We'll keep you posted in between. Yeah, day 5, you know, we are like one day ahead. We're making good kilometers, so good progress so far, good progress. We should arrive at the North Cape maybe Saturday, Sunday, latest Monday, I think. So yeah, all in all, pretty good, pretty good. Anyway, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a fantastic day. You know, so far everything is kind of waterproof. My shoes are not, which is weird, but the jacket and everything is all in good condition. But yeah, we're traveling at the moment on the E6. This is the main road. If you're going more like twisty roads, then instead of 3 hours it would take us 7 hours, and we don't want to ride 7 hours in this condition. So yeah, that's why we're going straight to E6. But E6 is still very twisty, so still very good. And I'm trying to get past this truck here, but yeah, it's probably not possible. So yeah, I'll check in with you later. Maybe when the weather is a bit better, we'll have a short break. So talk to you in the next update. Bye bye, ciao. Sorry, another update. You know, I forgot to mention my GoPro died yesterday, so I got a SIM card error. So that's why day 4 ended abruptly. But hopefully everything is fixed now. You know, but it can happen today as well, because the media mod is not. Yeah, it's not waterproof, or it's not water friendly, so I think it can happen again, but just as a fair warning, you know. And sorry about day 4 that it ended, but there was nothing after that. I talked about the snowy mountains, and that was it. You know, nothing super crazy. And we had roads like this all the way, and this one looks actually, even with rain, it looks super nice, you know. Just imagine having a small boat going to the island and stay there. Oh yes. And what I also see here a lot of electric vehicles in Norway, you know. Yeah. Oh yeah, I just want to give this short update. I will check again later. So, short update. So the first wild camping spot wasn't doable because of the heavy rain, and the river was like flooded. So then we tried a second wild camping spot. The same, you know, the river was just too high, and you couldn't put a tent up anywhere. So yeah, as our clothes are still super soaked, and my shoe as well, and it's rather on the colder side because of all the wet clothes, we booked a small, I don't know, apartment where we can cook food and have a shower and stuff like this. And then we will see what we can do tomorrow to catch better weather and to actually camp, you know, because when everything is wet, it's just not nice. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, you know. I should have like a very good time lapse, hopefully with the second GoPro. Depending on how long it is, I will upload the second video. If it's not super interesting and so on, I will just, you know, use snippets and the 5 videos. So you will see, you know, when you hear this, you will know what and when I used what. Yeah. So far, you know, the ride is rather okay. It's wet and not wet and wet and not wet. So, and now we'll see if we follow suit and passes. So yeah, you need to, you know, take the opportunities when they come. Anyway, we are like now after 250 something kilometers, we're now adding 100 more to the trip. So there's 90 left, an hour and 10 minutes, something like this, and then we should be at the apartment, try everything, and then maybe for a change I will show you the apartment. Yeah, but as you can see, clouds are here. We should be in North Norway now. There was like a big sign and I don't know, some nice architecture or whatever, so yeah, we didn't stop because it didn't look that interesting. I'm more looking forward to the Arctic Circle sign. So yeah, as you can see, the scenery changed quite a bit. There's snow on the mountains, clouds everywhere, the trees changed, vegetation is different, so yeah, you can definitely notice that, you know, you're coming to the north. And yeah, but the roads are still fantastic, you know. The roads are still good, but just a lot of rain, which we did not anticipate. And it's going to be 9 degrees Celsius, so not the warmest as well, even though I feel warm. Anyway, that's it for the update. I will update you once we are in the apartment. So, hello, welcome. Last update for today. We just arrived at the apartment. So everything is left, living room, shower, which is currently occupied, and then you have a kitchen area. That's all our stuff currently laid out, you know, that's all super wet. There's still one shoe. Still everything, you know, that's how we travel. Something to eat we bought for, you know, for normally for camping, but we will cook here now. It's still very bad outside, so then you can sit here, you have free Wi-Fi with your television, stuff like this, you know, like a full apartment complex for one day. And then of course, unfortunately, a shared bed, but maybe I can get a glimpse outside. You know, it's still bad weather, but the mountains are close. Yeah, that's it for today. We will just chill for the day and eat, relax, and figure out what we do tomorrow. Because if it's wind tomorrow, then it's gonna be another bad day. So we're basically going from one apartment complex or Airbnb to another one. So maybe we do this for Norway, and for Sweden, hopefully. The weather didn't look that bad. and also the temperature a bit warmer on the overall map. We will see. But yeah, my right shoe is completely soaked. Maybe I will invest in other shoes this year. We'll see, but maybe, not sure. But yeah, that's how it is. My jacket is perfect. My gloves are surprisingly really nice. They work. My jacket, my pants, all good. Only my right shoe is really bad. So yeah, my helmet is good as well. So I'm really happy. Even the cargo work as well. Both of them. So pretty happy. But yeah, that's it for today. You know, and you know, the tank bag works fantastic. I'm glad I have the waterproof one. But yeah, that's it for today. So day 5 over. We rode 5.5 hours, and do I have it here somewhere? 1 second. 5.5 hours. 5 hours only. Okay, not 5.5, and 358 kilometers. Basically, that's what we did today. Oh, that looks it looks long, but it isn't. So yeah, and still some way to go to North Cape. But yeah, that's what we did today. More tomorrow. Maybe we'll cross over to Sweden. We'll see. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much, and yeah, have a good one. Talk to you day 6 tomorrow. Bye bye and take care.